haven't done one of these in a while, guys. A dope how to style. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in this video, I'm going to put together some dope pieces so you can match the Jordan 3 Black Cement. Whether you got the new or the old joints, I'm going to put together some dope pieces to make your outfit fire. Yes, sir. So if you watch the channel, then you know when I do this, man, I give it my all. In the B-roll, pay attention to the B-roll, because the stuff you seen in the B-roll that's fire, not going to be shown right now. So pay attention to the B-roll. But in the B-roll, I showed y'all two dope, nice Supreme shirts. I got more. This Supreme shirt right here is so perfect of a match, man, it goes without saying. You got the red Supreme shirt. The Supreme letters is in that gray and silver look, matching the gray, what y'all calling an elephant print. That so many names for that thing. But this match is perfect and it's affordable. It's about 2 seasons ago with Supreme, but you can find it on StockX and Go, and I feel like this is a perfect match. Another red Supreme shirt I really like is the Modernity. I did not know this tee was this popular. I know soccer is very, very popular, or football, depending on where you at in the world. But this Modernity in the red colorway, it's a settled match. It's not a perfect match, but it's definitely a settled match. And this shirt turns heads. We're going to stay with Supreme for a little bit, but we're going to add some Jordan because it is a Jordan 3, right? This is the new Supreme Jordan Nike Biggie collab, man. And I'm from Brooklyn, so you know what Biggie means to me. Again, another settled look. Black tee, match the black threes, and then you get like a gray, black and white out photo of Biggie with a Jordan shirt on. Very dope. Settled match, man, but a great match. Told you I had some fire, right? No, literally fire, man. This is the Kith Fire tee. Came out about 2 months ago. This is one of their summer tees. Come on, guys. Come on, man. You gotta love it. On that washed denim. Gives you remembrance of the Jordan 3. You know, the wrinkles. Some had wrinkles, some didn't. But I really like this match. Very affordable. Retail was $70. I think right now you could get a third party. Same price, man. Okay, that was some dope tees, but it is getting cold, especially where I'm at in New York. So let's up it up a bit. Classic crew neck, guys. Classic crew neck. Supreme Champion Stay in School crew neck. Thick material, man. If you ever had a Champion sweater, hoodie, you know what I'm talking about here, man. Super dope. Got your black, got your red. Even got a little bit of gray, guys. I like this look, man. And it's Supreme Champion. I really like it. I don't know what you could get it for now, but yeah, it's probably a little up there, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But check it out. Supreme Stay in School, the Supreme Champion collab. I know I said no more tees, but this is a thick one. A little pricey, but it's a thick one. Alexander McQueen tee. You see the silver zipper giving you that great look again. The Alexander McQueen zipping out. Again, a little pricey, guys. A little pricey, but come on, man. The match is there. And why not go out with 2 goats on your shirt, man? Or a hoodie. I gave this company love a couple of videos ago. A small company, I found them on Instagram. They're called BogeyCon. B-O-G-I-C-A-N. I could be pronouncing that wrong, but I'm not spelling it wrong. B-O-G-I-C-A-N. And look, man, you get Kobe, you get Mike. I mean, this outfit here is a nostalgic outfit for me. You know what I mean? You put Jordan and Kobe on with a nice all-black Jordan. I feel like it's a perfect match. Very affordable. Go check them out, man. I like to see small businesses shine. Dang, I said no more tees. One more tee. And it ain't even Supreme or Kith. I got this tee from Forever 21, guys. Look at the match. Come on, man. You see the Kiss tee? Remind me of like NWO, man. Like Kiss tee, straight from Forever 21. Under $30, guys. Look at the match, man. You get the eyes, his tongue, the white, the black. You even get the shadows in the background also, man. This is a affordable match. And this should be a no-brainer, right? The Jordan jersey, match that with anything bread. You know, he played for the Bulls a long time. Almost every sneaker got red or black in it. So this is the perfect match. But on a lounging crew day, I would like this, man. The old school pinstripe 1996 Jordan shorts. Hardwood classic Mitchell and Ness. You throw this down. Whether you just lounging or chilling or if you really playing ball in the Jordan 3s, I really like this match. Check out Mitchell and Ness right now. They got a crazy sale. Well, everybody got a crazy sale, but Black Friday, Mitchell and Ness be doubling up. But honestly, anything Chicago Bulls is fine. Just like this Mitchell and Ness Dennis Rodman shirt, man. So anything Bulls, red and black, I think you'll get away with it. Of course, I tell y'all, with any sneaker, go to Essential first. In the B-roll, I showed you the black joint. You could actually do the gray too. That's a perfect match. Hats. I got a gang of them. Again with Supreme. When you think of Supreme, you think of red. So the box logo is very dope. And I would say affordable. You're going to have to pay a little bit over the retail, but not that much. As far as the fitteds, a lot of options. Of course, you could go Chicago Bulls. But how about the Chicago Blackhawks, right? Blackhawks, Jayhawks. I don't watch hockey, guys. But I know they from Chicago, just like I'm playing Chicago, just like Mike did. So this is a perfect match, especially with the Great Stanley Cup. New Jersey Devils is also a look if you don't want to go to traditional Chicago Bulls. I like the New Jersey Devil look. But the Bulls is just so dope, guys, man. Like, how do you not go them? Back-to-back joint here, Mitchell and Ness. Championship joint here, NBA Finals, all that stuff. Also Mitchell and Ness. R.I.P. Virgil, I try to say that every video, man. You could do the off-white Mona Lisa joint. We always going to double back to Supreme, guys. The all-red camp joint. I really like fatigue when you're doing Jordan 3s. I really like fatigue, guys. And this one is a match. 2018, 2024. Yes, sir. So, of course, they sitting. Jordan and Nike's done a great job this year with making a whole bunch of sneakers. I don't care that they sitting. These are legendary sneakers. That's why I had to show y'all some legendary outfits, man. Hit me in the comment section below if you need help with styling, pricing, sizing, anything you seen in this video, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.